In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make an integration between GoHighLevel and Calendly. The tool that we're going to use in this video is going to be more affordable, more easy, and more scalable for your agency to use than any other tool for GoHighLevel. So watch along this video to see the full process for how you can set this up for your own agency or GoHighLevel account. Okay, so right now I'm inside of a sub-account and I would like to integrate this sub-account with Calendly. I've installed the tool, and the tool that we're going to use is CRM Connector. I've already installed it. In a minute I'm going to show you how you can install this tool for your own agency. But first I'm going to show the integration process between GoHighLevel and Calendly with this tool. So basically this tool adds 40 plus native integrations to GoHighLevel, but in this video I'm going to show you Calendly and how this integration looks like. So what you need to do is select a date, and basically this is the date filter, so only contact data from this specific date onwards will be synced to GoHighLevel. And you can also import calendar events from Calendly and import contact data from Calendly. Every 4 hours CRM Connector will look for new contact data and it will sync to GoHighLevel, so it's fully automated. So it's really easy. In this box I'm going to select contacts with completed events. So I'm going to select this checkbox, and the only thing you need to do is authenticate through Calendly, and this is basically a one-time login to make the integration. So I'm going to do that right now. As you will see, this will pop up a new tab where you can log into your Calendly account, and that's it. The connection is successfully. And the last step you will need to do is click Establish Secure Connection. So right now it's making the integration and getting all of the contact data. Okay, so the integration is active and fully completed. When I now go back to context, you will see that my contact is being uploaded from my Calendly account and it has been synced with the tag, because it's a completed event. It will get the tag complete new sync customer and also the date of the completed event. When I go back to my Calendly account, you can see that at meetings in the past, this meeting has taken place, and that's why the contact is being synced to GoHighLevel. It's literally that easy to set up this for your to set up this integration. And now I will show you how you can install CRM Connector for your own agency. So you will need to go back to your agency view, go to the app marketplace and search for CRM Connector. So this is the app. Just click this app and install it to your agency. I've already installed it, but the only thing you will need to do is click the blue button and install it to your agency and your preferred sub-accounts. From there you can select a free trial and you can explore the app. And that's how you make the integration with Calendly. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments, and I will see you at the next video.